Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So it's currently 8:45 in the morning and it's a Saturday today. And I woke up like 15 minutes ago and I did all my morning chores and everything. I brushed my teeth, had my water and everything. So it's a Saturday today, and although I have a list to follow today, like all the things that I have to do, so it's going to be a long, hectic day of me cleaning because it's a Saturday. So I have to de-clean my cupboards, my room, and everything. I cannot show you the state of my room. It is so messy right now. So yeah, and let's see what all are the things that I need to follow for the day. Although I have a few things to do for my internship as well, but let's start with the cleaning and let's go कि आगे क्या करते हैं. See, like that is, I don't know what is where. I don't understand. I don't know why are the clothes there. I don't know why the towel is like that. I don't know what is the state of my study table and everything. I don't know why this glass is over here and everything is so messed up. So we have to clean this because this is not looking nice. And second of all, I'm not able to find my things. So we have a long day of cleaning ahead. So let's start. First thing, I will be having some breakfast and then we'll go on to cleaning. I'll play something of course in my background. I cannot just simply clean without me just thinking about stuff. No, that's a no-no for me. So let's go and have my breakfast and then start with the cleaning process. I like watching these kinds of videos, like jahan pe there is something playing in the background and you clean up your entire space. That is what we are going to do today. Yes guys, I am meeting you after a really long time. आपने देखा होगा like I had my breakfast and everything, and then I was busy organizing my room, my cupboard, my clothes and everything. It was just a huge mess. So right now I have a meeting and it's currently 1:45 and I have a meeting from 2 and I think वो 4 या 4:30 तक चलेगी. So that's that. And then let's see what other things that I have to follow up in the day. Like I think it's going to be a busy day because मुझे अपना internship का भी काम complete करना है. So yeah, let's join the meeting and let's see what are the things that we need to follow for the day.
नहीं श्योर अल्लाह तुम्हें देने वाला बनाए तुम्हारे हाथ जेब से कभी खाली ना निकले पता जब मुझे भी देता ना तो मुझे भी यही कहता थैंक यू
Guys, meeting you after a really long time. It's currently 7:45 and as you saw in the previous clips that I was completing my work in the afternoon. I had my lunch and then I had my snacks and everything. Uske baad I went for an evening walk because that's an important part of my routine. I love going on walks. Uske baad I came back home. I again had some task in the market, तो वो भी मैं करके आ गई हूँ. And now I was just thinking what to do because मेरे laptop खोलने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है because my head is aching. So I think I'll just read something or I'll just sit down in my balcony. Let's see. And उसके बाद I think we'll have dinner and then we'll go for an night walk because that's an important part as I said. So let's see.